Nketenkete was adapted from a folklore, a Ghanaian folklore. Nketenkete. So it's in Anampedu, and Anampedu also has a song. Nketenkete. So Nketenkete plays around traditional games that we used to play and how it is lost and they are all gone. The song ceased to revive all those games that we used to play, and then you can't find them anywhere. Make us a pele rande twa, yes wa betwemu, namanti. Make us a Sunday rande twa, yes wa betwemu, namanti. Asana is a beverage made from corn, fermented corn, and burnt sugar. It's a beverage. Abele is also ice cream. Abele ice cream, a certain type of ice cream. It is round. It's in a cup. It has a small stick in it. Abele is also maize. The Ghan people call abele maize. Called maize abele. Yeah. So when we were kids, there's one woman who sells corn, boiled corn, and then passes by. She calls, and everybody is aware that she's passing by the gate. You catch her, you buy some achumo. Achumo is also biscuit, or let's say chips. Yeah, something close to that, made from flour and sugar. Yeah, so these were things. These were small things. Yeah, crown now, buhuna, mami be ton, or pie now. You make sure say, oh, Chinese or bebanwa hotobi. But and then the chorus I believe and dry, so I became all those things are gone. Yes, I believe and I became and I didn't realize it. All those beautiful games are gone. Ampe is gone, Antoine is gone, Chaskele is gone, all these things, all those games, beautiful games are gone. And it's Shianema free. And so and then because we are on the tab, we are on the iPad, we are talking on the screen, social media, and so we don't even get to interact with ourselves like we used to be. And Nketenkete seeks to remind us that all these beautiful games were there, they were useful, they were educative, and we need to bring them back.